eSIM is a digital SIM that allows you to connect to mobile networks without a physical SIM card. It's becoming increasingly popular due to its convenience and flexibility. If you're traveling to China, using an eSIM can save you from the hassle of buying and registering a local SIM. With an eSIM, you can choose your data plan online and activate it instantly on your device, avoiding the need to swap SIM cards. One of the best options available is the eSIM service, which offers unlimited data packages, ideal for travelers who need constant internet access without worrying about running out of data. You could also choose from various other packages based on your needs. After purchasing your plan, you'll receive a QR code to scan, and your eSIM will be ready to use. This is a seamless solution for staying connected, especially in China, where navigating and communicating can be challenging without internet access. eSIMs work with most new smartphones and devices, making them a versatile choice for anyone. Whether you're in China for business or leisure, an eSIM can help you stay online effortlessly. To learn more and get your eSIM, check out the eSIM service through the link provided. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who might find this information useful.